Hello guys, Sunday Vlogs ni. What's up guys? So, magbasa data. Look at the picture. Can you identify the ingredients that are needed to bake bread? These ingredients are mixed together in order to make bread. Mixtures are everywhere, like the juices and milk that you drink, the viands and snacks that you eat, even the soap and shampoo you use. But what is a mixture? A mixture is a combination of two or more substances. And some mixtures you can identify each of the substances. Some mixtures composing it. Mixtures can be separated into its different components. Some mixtures can be easily separated using simple means, while some have to be separated by using machines and advanced processes. In this unit, you will learn about the different types of mixtures and how they can be broken down into their components. Bye.
Continue.
Have you ever submit yourself for a blood test? What do you see after blood
Extractions.
extraction?
Extractions? Extraction.
Extraction?
Mm.
Blood is an example of a mixture. It is a mixture of plasma and blood cells just by looking.
Do you think?
Do you think here you can Do you think you can identify the component of blood? Some mixtures are made up of very tiny components which can not be easily identified. Some mixtures, like coffee, have components that are not clearly visible. There are mixtures like salad and pizza, and of mixtures with varied characteristics. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Mwah.